Hi there, I'm Ashley Kaminsky with American Furniture Warehouse, and we are at our Englewood location in our house that is on the main level of our show floor. To give you a background story about this house, we were actually thinking about tearing it down to make more room for the show floor. But we decided to keep it up. We actually made it more open. We created passageways and entryways from the outside, and just created this Magnolia home inspired gallery, and it turned out really great. So we redid the floors, new paint. This room that we're in right now actually used to be the kitchen, so we completely demoed it and made it a really beautiful gallery. So we are featuring this Denali leather, Italian leather sectional from Jackson Furniture. And they have a really great color combination with the pillows combined with this faux fur. And I love adding fur to any space because it just adds a ton of texture, and it's really easy to elevate the look of your whole room without spending a lot of money. And this is combined with the Pueblo collection, and you can really create a whole room based on this collection. We have the cocktail tables, end tables. We have this really awesome wall unit with this wood slat background behind the TV, and then also barn doors. So anything with a barn door is really hot right now, and it just adds that organic, natural feel. If you walk around this space, you can see that we have a ton of accessories to really add to the look of this Magnolia inspired gallery. So if you want to do this in your own home, you can easily do so. And then over here, we have a nice focal point with our fireplace, and we are showcasing a different upholstered set. It's a nice kind of soft gray body cover, and we have these accent pillows to coordinate with it. It does have a contrast welt, which is nice on the sofa love seat chair, and then also the pillows have this nice contrast welt just to finish off the look. So if you're at our Englewood location, definitely come into the house, see what we have. We have more than just this room. We are showcasing dining, we have a few bedrooms, and then we also have a couple more upholstered sets that looks awesome in this space. So come check us out. See you soon.